Hi, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. In this channel, we provide information related to government-related procedures and schemes that you can follow and apply for documents and schemes in a much more easier way. We would recommend please do subscribe to this channel, which would help us create more videos of this kind. And also, any information that we provide would reach you in a much more faster way. So let's get into the procedure of how to apply or request to replace an existing electricity EB meter in Maharashtra. So we have provided all the information in this page. So the link to this page is provided in the description of this video. If you scroll down and if you click on the link, it would take you to this page. So if you scroll down to this, once you reach this page, if you scroll down to this page, scroll down on the page, you would be able to see applying online through Mahavitran portal and applying in person. So these are the two ways of applying. And we have some notes down here which you can look into, like the electricity meter that is fixed or recording. For recording electricity consumption may be from the respective electricity board from your area. So these are all just general informations that we have provided. So if you scroll down and if you click on this link here, it would take you to this page here, which is their portal. And in this page, we have listed down all the whatever I'm explaining right now is also listed down as steps which you can follow, and you can make the application if you're not following what I'm saying. So in this portal, if you just scroll down, you would be able to see compliant registration. Okay, but you can click it here to start with, or the best option I would say is click on if you're already an existing portal, you can click on login, enter the login credentials, and once you're logged in, enter the login credentials and click on login, and then look for compliant registration, because the best option is to log in and then apply for compliant registration, which would have more priority. Or if you're a new user to this portal, you click on new user registration and fill in the details and the information, and once you're registered, you click on login and log into the portal and make the application. Look for compliant registration and start with making it compliant, enter the information, and then submit your application. That would be of that's the process to follow. So that is the first option. Okay, and you would be able to track the compliant and everything, um, everything through the portal, and also they would inform you through SMS on the status of your application. So that's the first thing. Second thing is apply in person. So apply in person is that you have to go to the respective your local electricity office, and they should be able to help you with making the application. So if you click on this link here, we have the customer facilitation centers that is listed down. We have the list of all those centers with the contact mobile numbers, landline numbers, email ID, and the address related to it. And you could get in touch with them even before you reach there, and speak with them, and you could get things cleared to make sure that what are the things that you might require for going through this application and all this stuff. So the general perspective is that you just reach you just reach one of these facilitation centers, and you just request to the authorities that you want your meters to be replaced, and you may have to fill in an application form and provide an fee for it, and also submit certain documents, maybe like the last receipt and stuff like that related to this account, and they would be able to help you out with Once you submit the application, they would process the application and get back to you if anything else is required. And that's the general thing. And once you submit the application, you also have to submit certain documents that are required related to it. um, with the application, as I mentioned, and they would start processing the application. So these are the two ways of applying. And as you scroll down in this page, we have required documents related to the documents that you might require for making this application: office contact locations, eligibility, fees, validity, and processing time, and other information that might be needed and that would help for making this application. So we hope the information that we have provided in this video is of help for making this application. We would recommend, please do subscribe to this channel, and that would, if you can subscribe to this channel, that would help us create more videos of this kind. And thanks for watching.